Hey friends, welcome back to Learning Made Fun, your ultimate destination for IT training content. Today, get ready to learn some user information and management commands. Now, whether you're a newcomer or a long-time subscriber, I've got some exciting and informative content lined up just for you. So grab that snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in, my friends. First up on our list of commands for today's video is the ID command. This will display the user and group IDs of your current user. Now we're going to learn to create some users and some groups today. And so it would be nice to know if we could get some information with this simple command. Let's use our clear command to keep everything nice and clean. And then we want to learn how to display the last user who logged into the system. That can be done with the last command. You'll notice that we have root and the NOE with the last couple of users. So let's clear this up. And next, we want to show who is logged into the system with the who command. Okay, this shows that our root user has been in here. We're going to be using our clear command again, keep everything nice and tidy. And now we want to show who is logged in currently with the W command. Now notice the bottom line. It shows that we logged in as user, and it shows that we're logged in from 192.168.0.22. And that's because we SSH'd. We use an SSH session to log into our Ubuntu server. So that's nice to know. Now we want to create a group, and we're going to call it dev for the purpose of this video. So we're going to use the group add. We're going to call it DEV. All right, we just added that. Now, how do we know if it added that, right? So we didn't get an error, but you can always check it by using the cat command, and that's found in our Etsy. We're going to go into group file, and down at the bottom, we notice we just added dev. So let's clear this up, and we've just confirmed that we've added the dev group. So now let's add a user, except this user, I want to have a comment added to it as well as the home directory. So we're going to use the user add, and I want a comment for this. All right, so we're going to say parentheses, let's use my name, and I want to go ahead and have my home directory as well. It says that we've already have that user. So how can we check? Looks like I've already done this, but that's okay. We can check the group. Oh, I'm sorry. We just added the user, right? So how do we know what users we have so that we don't spend time creating one that's already there? Well, once again, we can use the cat command, Etsy, but this time we're going to go to the password. And notice down at the bottom, we have our NOE user, and we have a NOE folder, our home folder that was created at the same time. Now we could go ahead and delete it. So let's do that. Let's say delete user. We're going to get rid of NOE. We'll do it right. We'll say user delete NOE. All right, so let's check. Let's use the clear command, and we're going to say cat etc password file, and that's no longer there. So let's go back to our user add with a comment. Oh, that's right. I deleted the user, but not the directory. Okay, so now if we go and see the cat command. All right, so we put the user back in. We never did delete the home folder, but everything's back in place now. And notice that after the right here is that comment that I added when I created it. So I know this is the Noe Tovar comment for the Noe folder in the I'm sorry, user for the Noe folder that was already there that I did not delete. So let's clear this up and let's do this. Let's we just created a dev account a little while ago, and we just created the Noe user. So let's move the Noe user into the dev account. We do that by using a user mod, and we're going to use the AG, add it to the group. Okay, so now what we learned earlier was that we could look at the group file. So let's clear this, and we're going to say cat etc group file, and we notice way down here we have our dev folder with our group, I'm sorry, and Noe is now a member of the dev group. So let's clear this up, and I want to check the password file once again to make sure that which users I have, and we're going to delete a few of them. So let's use the cat command etc password, and we're going to go back to deleting. So we're going to delete the Noe user, and we did that with the user delete Noe. And if we wanted to confirm it once again, let's clear. Let's go into the cat etc group. Now, why did I do that? The password file. He's no longer there. Okay, so one more thing I want to do. Let's go into clear. And we just hit clear, and that concludes today's quick lesson. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you, my friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe.